Warm greetings to everyone. See that poem, The Sheep. The Sheep poem was written by Anne J. Taylor. In this poem, we are seeing four stanzas. In the first stanza, the poet asks the question to the sheep. He requests to tell that a reason about that lazy. And that the remaining three stanzas, the sheep answers to the poet. Let us see the poem. Lazy sheep, pray tell me why. The poet asks a request. Pray means request. How he called that sheep? Lazy sheep. Lazy sheep, pray tell me why. In the pleasant fields you lie, eating grass and daisies white, from the morning till the night. Everything can something do, but what kind of use are you? He asked the question. The poet asked the question to the sheep, what kind of use are you? Now the sheep answered, no, my little master, nay. Nay, my little master, nay. Nay means that is no. No, my little master, no. Do not say so, I pray. Don't say like this. The sheep requests to the master. Master means the poet. No, my little master, no. Don't say so, I request, I pray. Don't you see the wool that grows on my back to make you clothes? Cold and very cold you would be if you had not wool from me. The sheep explained, don't you see the wool that grows? Yes, the wool grows on the back of the sheep. Using the wool, we are making cloths. We are making woolen cloths. What is the use of that? Cold and very cold. If we had not wool from the sheep, we would not be. So that the sheep asked the question to the master. Don't you see the wool that grows on my back to make you clothes? Cold and very cold you would be if you had not wool from me. True, it seems a pleasant thing to nib the daisies in the spring. In the spring season, the sheep nib. Nib means to pull off by biting. It is eating, using the mouth, it biting and nib the daisies, it eating. Nib the daisies in the spring. But many chilly nights I pass. What is that? The sheep told, many chilly nights they stayed in the mountainous area. On the cold and dewy grass, full of icy chillness area. On the cold and dewy grass, dew. We are seeing this dew. What is the meaning of the dew? That is the drops, water drops form on the grasses because of the chillness, because of the cold. On the cold and dewy grass are pick a scanty dinner where all the open land is brown and bare. All the open land is brown and bare. Then the farmer comes at last. When the merry spring is past, the spring past, there is no greenish. That time, the wool grows on the sheep more. When the merry spring is past and cuts my woolly coat away. The farmer comes and cuts the woolly coat of the sheep, and they collected the wool from the sheep to warm you in the winter's day. Because of what is the reason we are getting wool from that? To warm us body in the winter's days. So that only we are collecting, the farmers collected the wool from the sheep. Little master, this is why in the pleasant fields I lie. The sheep explained to that master, what is it? We are getting wool from the sheep. That will help us to make warm in the cold situation, make our body warm in the cold situation. That's why I eat, and I eat in the pleasant fields. I lie and taking a rest. Thank you.